Do you read me? Do you read me loud and clear? This is the weather report coming at you live from the says it's gonna rain and storm in your brain. Spillips in the room making some dead-ass gook memes. The night is when the monsters come out. The monsters only come out at night because they're black and the sky is black. What does the sky look like to you? Can you see the stars? Can you see the asteroids? Where is Mars? Where is Venus? Do you have Venus in sight on the field?
This is Judge Control to Spillips. I have the history on my tail and I can't shake them. Do you know where I might dispose of this?
Do you need some help? What do you need help with? I'm stay on my way, ready at all times. Just say the word. Where do you need me? Where to, sir? I'm by. What does the sky look like to you? Can you see the stars? Can you see the asteroids? Where is Mars? Where is Venus? Do you have Venus in sight on the field?